Hey everyone, if Brave Sync is not working between your devices, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to get your bookmarks, passwords, and settings syncing properly again. First, make sure all your devices have a stable internet connection. Sync won't work properly if even one device is offline or unstable. Next, turn off Sync in Brave and turn it back on again. Yeah, restarting Sync can fix temporary connection issues between devices. If your devices are not using the same Brave account, Sync won't work. I mean, double check that you're signed into the same profile everywhere. Another important step is updating Brave on all devices. Different versions can cause sync conflicts. If the problem continues, remove one device from the sync chain and re-add it. So this rebuilds the connection and fixes broken sync links. Make sure the data types you want are enabled. Yeah, bookmarks, passwords, history, and settings all need to be selected for proper syncing. Sometimes VPNs or firewalls block sync connections. So try disabling them temporarily to see if syncing starts working again. If nothing else works, log out of Brave on all devices and sign back in. Yeah, this refreshes your account connection and often fixes sync errors. And that's it. One of these fixes should help resolve Brave browser sync not working and get all your devices connected again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.